Namaste students, welcome again. In our previous class, we have discussed about the balanced diet and the importance of balanced diet in our life. That for a healthy life, we should always consume a balanced diet. But what happens if the nutrients present in the balanced diet are destroyed by the wrong process of cooking or washing? So today's topic is preventing loss of nutrients, that how we can prevent the loss of nutrients from our diet. So let's discuss. So you have to follow the following practices. They should be avoided to prevent the loss of nutrients. These we should not do. Firstly, washing fruits and vegetables after cutting and peeling them. This is a very wrong practice. So do not wash fruits or vegetables after cutting or peeling. Sometimes there may be a loss of nutrients. Second one is washing rice or pulses several times before cooking. Fine. So if we wash the rice or pulses so many times, so sometimes the nutrients are also washed away with the help of water only. Next is use excess of water for cooking. If you are using excess of water for cooking and after that you just throw away extra water, then it also causes the loss of nutrients. Next is overcooking of food. Do not overcook the food. It also leads to the loss of nutrients. Now we will discuss about some deficiency diseases. Firstly, you have to learn that what deficiency diseases mean. Deficiency diseases mean diseases that cause due to the lack of one or more nutrients in the diet, that is known as deficiency disease. If from your diet any nutrient is absent or there is no consumption of that nutrient by you, then it may lead to the deficiency diseases. So there are so many deficiency diseases. Now we will discuss about the various nutrients, their deficiency diseases and what are the various symptoms of that disease. So let's discuss that.
Now we will discuss the nutrients and their deficiency diseases and what are their symptoms. Symptom means what different signs the body show. First one is carbohydrates and proteins. Due to the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins, Marasmus type disease happened. And what are the symptoms of Marasmus? This is the slow body growth, lack of energy, weak legs, mental retardation and poor muscle development. Second one nutrient is protein, and due to the deficiency of protein, the disease causes Kwashiorkor, and the symptoms are swelling of face and limbs, pot-like belly, dry skin, discolored hair, diarrhea and slow physical and mental growth. Next is vitamin A. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness happens. It is clear from the name, night blindness means inability to see in dim light. Next is vitamin B1. Due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, beriberi happens or beriberi causes. And the symptoms of beriberi are difficulty in walking, numbness or swelling in hands and feet, पेन और इंक्रीज्ड हार्ट रेट. नंबनेस मीन्स कि हाथ में सूनापन आ जाना. नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन B2. ड्यू टू द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन B2, skin diseases happen. The symptoms of this skin diseases is cracking of the corners of the mouth, swelling of the tongue and irritation on the eyes. Next is vitamin B1, 2 and iron. Due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, 2 and iron, anemia happens, and the symptoms of anemia are pale skin, tiredness and loss of appetite and headache. Next is vitamin C, and due to the deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy causes, and the symptoms of scurvy are swollen and bleeding gums and loosening of teeth. Next is vitamin K. Due to the deficiency of vitamin K, hemorrhage happens, and hemorrhage means severe bleeding. बहुत ज़्यादा bleeding होना. Next is iodine. Due to the deficiency of iodine, goiter happens, and the symptoms of goiter are enlargement of thyroid gland and slow mental growth. Next are calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. Due to the deficiency of all these, rickets happen, and the symptoms of rickets are bow-shaped legs, deformed chest, brittle and weak bones, because all these calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D are useful for the bones. Next is sodium and potassium. Due to the deficiency of sodium and potassium, body and muscles get weakened, and the symptoms of this are general weakness, headache and upset stomach.